Hey guys, so I'm gonna do like a coconut conditioner on my hair because I feel like right now my hair needs a little structure, like it's got too much moisture in it. So this is gonna be like a at-home protein treatment. I went and got some coconut milk right here. When you first get it, it has like water on top of it. So you want to drain out the water, and then you're going to be left with the coconut on the bottom. See? There's always water on top. So I'm going to go ahead and dump out the water right now. And then all that I'm left with is the coconut on the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and add that to a bowl that I have right here. Also, I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of coconut oil just to kind of mix everything together and get it going. And the coconut oil, usually I store my coconut oil in the fridge, and so I took a little bit out and I have it melted right there. Coconut milk and the coconut oil mixture in my hair right now, covered up. I'm gonna sit on the dryer for about 20 minutes in and then 10 minutes out of the dryer for a total of 30 minutes total with this old concussion on my head. After this whole 30 minutes is up, I'm gonna wash my hair with my Peroxide Control shampoo. Then I'm going to deep conditioner with my organic root stimulator olive oil replenishing conditioner.